Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix touchscreen not responding on your Xiaomi 17 Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is remove screen protector or case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, we got the case right here. If your case is not original, so my case is original from the Xiaomi, but if yours isn't and you use a third-party one, then you got the bezels right here, the little dark part between the screen and the side of the phone. If your case is going onto the screen, what can happen is this. So you won't be able to actually use your phone. So if that's the case for you, then remove it. And for the screen protector now, what you guys want to do is, if it's not applied properly, so what I mean by that is if your screen protector goes on the sides of the phone, on the edges, and it's leaving this part uncovered, what can happen is basically the same situation but from the other side. So for example, we won't be able to use the phone properly. What you want to do is remove it, and after that simply clean the screen with a microfiber cloth. So I got one right here. Now let's give the phone a few swipes. So 4 swipes is definitely enough to keep our screen clean. After that, what we want to do is we want to restart the phone. So hold the power button, the volume up button, and now swipe down to reboot. Now the phone is rebooting, so I'll see you guys in a second once the reboot is done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is simply unlock your phone, and after that, as a last resort, go over and update your software to fix any issues. So this might also be a software issue. What we're going to do here is go to settings, then about phone, and tap on the HyperOS. It's checking for updates now. There's no updates available, so that means I am on the latest version. But if you have the update, make sure to download and install it. It's very important to get rid of any old glitches on your device from the previous software versions. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.